Good morning, it's Wednesday. I'm waiting for the bus to take me to Morrison's. I'm being interviewed for market research. I can't say too much about it because it's confidential, but yeah, that's part of my day. I mean, I don't do market research very often, but when it comes, it's quite good incentive. Obviously, if you fit the criteria. So that's what I'm doing today. It's Wednesday, the 8th of November. Oh, next week is my birthday. On Friday, I'm trying to see if I can go and sit in some fabulous hotels. Saturday, I've got a radio interview. One of my best friends has organised an interview on a radio show. I'm going to put the details in my stories. So by the time you see this vlog, it would have passed, but never mind. I'm just telling you what it's like in my week. Yeah, so I'll see you at Morrison's. I haven't got any khaki or Sharon fruit. Ooh, is that in there? No, that's passion fruit. Oh, here they are, Sharon fruit. Just get them. This is a fruit of the month for my club, my after school club. Three will do. That's all I can carry. Got some stuff in here. Or Pyrisman. Now, what's the difference between the Sharon fruit and the Pyrisman? Anyway, I've got 6 for my club. This is the fruit of the month. Fruit for November. I'm finished my interview, and yes, I can talk about it. It's for healthcare and vitamins. It's kind of got a rebrand in this store. Not this aisle. It's this aisle. They've made it more, I don't know, bright and cheerful. They've made it more information-wise. I just put my basket down. It's got more labelling here, and the colour I love. Yeah, and I have picked up some. They're in my basket because I need to replenish my my stock, my vitamins and my multi-vitamins and my iron. Yeah, it's lovely. It was a good interview. Yeah, thank you. I'm at school now. This is the I'm tired. This is the room I use. Let's go back a bit without showing anybody. There's children outside in the playground. Yeah, I've got the is it Pyrisman? Is that how you pronounce them? So there's Pyrisman, there's Sharon fruit, and also khaki. I think they might be slightly different in size and maybe slightly different taste. Yeah, so this is our fruit for the month. Get those ready for the children. We're not going to taste them today. I'm going to give it for another day or two. I'm going to leave them outside, let them ripen up a bit more. There's my register. Yeah, that's where I normally sit to do the register. Here is Miss Joy. I've had my lunch. I've had some peppers and falafel, and I fancy a chocolate. And I will take my medication. I bought these. Vitamin D and a well woman 50 plus. I asked at the interview, is there not a 60 plus? Because my bone must be different than when I was 50. So they will have a look into that. Oh my god, this one's a new one. I've not had this green one before. It helps with tiredness and fatigue. I definitely need help with that, fatigue. So I'm going to take one of those. and the vitamin D. So when I get home, I'll put them in my my weekly pot thing. I'll show you maybe, hopefully, if I remember. You know, the days of the week, Monday, Tuesday to Friday. Just Monday to Sunday. Yeah, I'll do that. Right, let's take that now. The children will come in about half an hour, quarter past. Between 10 past and quarter past, the children will come. Yeah, I've got, I think with 35, let me check how many children I've got today. 38, if they all turn up, as in illness, play dates, grandparents visiting.
Miss Joy,
Yes.
tomorrow I'm not gonna be able to come here because my mom's picking me up early at 5 o'clock in the afternoon because she's going to a very long meeting.
At 5 o'clock, what time do you come here?
I might come here.
Straight after school, which is normally about 10 past, quarter past.
So I come here.
So you'll be here first, and then Mummy will pick you up at 5.
No,
So you are coming,
I'm not like.
unless Mummy's picking you up straight from school.
She's picking me up straight from school.
Okay, all
And then
right.
she's bringing
All right,
me to
Jordan.
my friend's house.
Brilliant.
And because my mom has a
Your best friend's house?
yeah, because
Okay.
my mom has a meeting at her work,
Oh,
which
brilliant.
takes like an hour. And I'm gonna be with my friend's house for an hour playing Minecraft with them.
All right,
Which
brilliant.
sounds great.
Okay.
Morning.
Morning, is it morning? Afternoon, Dylan. Never mind. The others are still learning. They're still learning, Miss Florence.
Then, if you do this move, then you get to play. If you don't, then if you don't know them, if you don't know how to eat them, then
She's gone to the phone. This is a Travelodge. What a difference between a Travelodge and a 5-star hotel. Oh my gosh. The lifts are out there. Lunch, breakfast is here. Through here. Yeah, so this is Travelodge in Ormstow. I'm just showing the difference between. I don't know what grading this has. 3-star? Oh, thank you, Travelodge maintenance.
Hello.
how are you?
You have to be buzzed into the Travelodge. That's where I came in. One of the main. Oh yeah, you can going out is no problem. It's coming in that you have to be buzzed in. The maintenance guy that happened to be outside buzzed me in. Oh, in you come.
Yeah. Subway. Where's the reception?
Yeah. restaurant. Dining room, pie room. Apparently they do some amazing pies here. There's 2 places to eat I see so far. Here's this one. That must be the entrance there. I'm at the Rosewood today. Let's see where the entrance is. Must be here. Beautiful. I'm so impressed and in awe. The young lady at the desk, there she is, Dina. Well, I'm going to find a seat and just relax. Very busy now. Where should I sit? I might sit here. Beautiful. Thank you. Trying to find the light. I'm at the Rosewood. Oh, the young lady Regina's told me she liked my outfit. I'm going to give you an OOTD and maybe at the Nomad Hotel. Beautiful hotel. One of the concierge didn't know it was called water closet. Oh, teaching him the Rosewood people, workers, well, one of them. This must be the ladies here. Here we go. Let's see what it's like in here. Here's some lovely fixtures. David Bowie. What's that? Can't read. Beatles. And then we go in here. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. It's beautiful, yes?
Yes.
Are you staying here?
No.
No, just visiting.
We had just enjoyed the afternoon tea.
Oh, was it nice?
Yes.
Oh, well done. Beautiful. Wow. Good. It's so dark. Let's do an OOTD. Here we go. OOTD. This is afternoon tea. This is called the mirror room. The mirror room? Yeah, the mirror room. Thank you. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm so in awe of this hotel. Bye, girls. Bye. The mirror room. The mirror room. I met these 2 young ladies in the water closet. Look how beautiful it is. And this really nice young man.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. He's charging my phone for me. And this is where you come to book excursions,
Restaurants,
taxis.
events, theatres, anything.
Have you worked here long?
No, actually, it's my first month.
Oh, your first month.
Yes.
And where are you from, if you don't
I'm
mind?
originally from Egypt.
Oh, well done.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to
This
meet you.
hotel has been amazing. My experience, I've been here for about an hour, has been really, really welcoming. Beautiful. Really beautiful. Let me just pan again. This is it. I've been sitting over there and I've used the toilet, the water closet. Yeah, I'm just in awe. Beautiful. Absolutely love it. If I could afford it, no, when I can afford it, I will stay here soon.
Yeah, you're very welcome.
Thank you. Oh. I was in there. The courtyard is beautiful. You can go in there and have afternoon tea. Really beautiful. Beautiful, thank you so much. Ooh. You can have outside lunch, whatever. Yeah. There's massive baskets. Beautiful. Really nice. The hospitality, customer service, 11 out of 10 I'll give the Rosewood. Absolutely amazing. They made me feel so welcome. I'm going often out to the Nomad hotels down in Covent Garden. I'm told the walk isn't long, so it's not a long walk. So I shall do that. Absolutely, felt so welcome in that hotel. Really nice. Oh gosh. It's amazing how people can make you feel really good. And I certainly felt good in there. I felt like I belonged. I could afford to stay there. That's how I felt. Yeah, so, yep. See you at the Nomad. I'll go and get something to eat in Waitrose.
Oh shit. It's not teller.
Oh my god.
£5, yeah?
Sorry, what did you say?
£5.
What's £5? So you're a florist, are you? You don't see many men as florists. Well done you. I'm impressed. It's normally a female job. But I'm being sexist. So well done you as a florist. Excellent. Some lovely blooms. Found it. Bow Street. This is where Nomad is. Some sort of police museum this is. Where's the hotel? You keep looking. Should be along here somewhere. Ah, I know if this is it. This one. This might be it. Is that? Yeah, there it is. Found it. Oh my god, it's very dark in there as well. Look at it. How dark is that? Why are hotels so dark? Thank you. Thank you. Why are hotels so dark? Why are hotels so dark? My lord. I don't know.
Hello.
Hi, why is it so dark in here? I've just come from the Rosewood and they're dark as well. Must be a reason why hotels are so dark.
Sorry, we just don't allow it.
Are you dark? Massive big space for the water closet. Massive, look how big it is. But yeah. Customer service, nah. They're very strict on not letting you use your camera. Your vlogging camera. Here I am. Should do my customary dance. Yeah, what's this? It's like barn door. I do need to use this toilet. There isn't anywhere for you to sit down and yeah, that's lacking, isn't it? Yeah. No. Very lacking. Alright, let's go in this one.
It's my soul.
That 2 minutes over. Just say when we get back.
For even more non-stop, back-to-back music. The My Soul flavors and mix of music. A non-stop 20 to 10 places within food sources. My Soul flavors and mix of music every day. And every daytime show.
Imagine a place where you can escape for a day. Get immersed in a world of rooms, inspiration and expertise. Where you can laze in luxury accommodations. And kids can feast from 95 pence. Tickets are free to everyone and include all the other attractions. You just imagine a day out at IKEA. IKEA, the wonderful everyday.
Deals on TVs, deals on laptops, deals on fridges, kettles and more. It's the Black Friday event at Curry's and the deals are on. Save £70 on Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 now.
She does loads of stuff. It's really good. She does loads of stuff.
Video calling and you won't get it cheaper. Full stop.
Oh, what's that later? Look, what are these pom-poms on the plants? Little pom-poms. We're in Marks and Spencer's in Loughton. So we've just finished. Well, we finished ages ago at the radio station. We've had lunch. I don't think I filmed lunch. I'm looking for some salmon, some caught salmon, not farmed. Yeah. I don't know where that aisle is actually. I've not been in here for quite a while. There's a fridge, freezer. Spencer's, Loughton. We're at Tower Pier and we're going to go on one of these.
Look how invisible the Belfast is.
Beautiful. Oh my god, look. Oh my god, so
Must
nice.
be that one. Let's go and get a good seat in the window.
Oh, we're going, yeah, that would be nice. There's my friend Mishy. She's giving me a birthday present, early birthday present.
No, that's the normal one.
Okay, that's not ours now. Are we down here, yeah? Follow us.
Yeah.
Or follow Mishy. Oh gosh.
Well done.
Follow us. People behind me are following us.
I mean, he's got drawers ready.
Yeah. There they are.
Great.
Yeah. And it's lit, which is really good. I thought it was going to be quite dark on here. We're going to sit over here. Well, we're on the yacht.
Oh, there's tables. 2 tables.
Yeah.
Yes, we're going to get a drink.
Yeah. Sorry. Nice to get on first.
You have...
Cheers. Cheers.
It's a bit closer to us. That's where it needs to be, doesn't it? Be quiet. Don't worry. I think
That's all we need, really.
They do an architecture tour.
As we continue our way upriver, we get a really good view of Cannon Street Railway Bridge with a train passing over the bridge. And it's arguable that Cannon Street Railway Bridge has been the most transformed by the Illuminated River project. And that's because until the lighting system was installed, it was really only a few lights and of course the railway signals on the bridge. But mostly it was pretty dark, but now you've got a very distinctive pattern of lighting and a subtle wash of lighting. And one of the inspirations for Leo Villarreal in designing the lights on these bridges were the Romantic painters and the Impressionist painters, particularly those of the 18th and 19th century. I'm thinking of painters like Claude Monet, Turner, invertebrates in the river. The next bridge we're approaching is Westminster Bridge, and this is the oldest of the footbridges, the road bridges in the centre of London, and has the most number of arches, 7 arches, and you'll see.
So we catch the cruise from down there.
The boat show Sophie and I went on. They were leaving here for a round the world race.
Wow.
The Clipper race. She was at primary school, still on a scooter. And they were inviting you the day before, like the week before they left, you could come on and get on the boats and have a look. Huge boats that go around the world with like 12 berths.
Wow.
And we got on and had a look.
Were those two is it inebriated? Is that the word? Were they?
Inebriated, yeah.
Yeah. St. Catherine's Dock. How amazing.
That's a bit sort of beer and pizza.
Yeah.
Today's a special day. I've got something to tell you.
Properly, Elliot.
Something to say is happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you, my lovelies.